back with a Big Sur demo just to look at how some of the windows look different within Big Sur compared to Catalina and previous. So we'll start from the top of the list. We have the emoji demo. That all looks the same. Although one notable difference is that they have taken away the full-size alert icon. In Big Sur, it is now only the badge. So if you specify caution, you'll get a tiny little caution. Next up is the alert demo, and this is also running on a Jamf instance, so you can see what the pop-up dialogues look like if you haven't created a config profile to allow control of system events by Jamf. So alerts have also changed very, very much since Catalina and previous. They are now more of a vertical rectangle rather than horizontal. However, caution does look normal here if you do the caution level for an alert, and the buttons are very different as well. And here this is kind of interesting. It launches terminal in this case, which is a little bit odd. But here's where it'll ask that Jamf wants to control terminal, which is interesting. Oh, because I am calling alert on the terminal window. And so that's what it looks like. It'll put the application icon there. All right, application lists are the same. And multiple selections still apply. We have a button demo. Say OK. As you can see, again, the caution, this is all we have left to us in the core types bundle location is the small little badge version. So keep that in mind. Give ups and all that still work just fine. And to prove it, I'll just wait. There we go. All right. Next up is our color picker. This is another one where it needs an app and it has not been pre-approved, so we'll see what that pop-up looks like for system events. Again, Jamf wants to control system events. They make a PPPC utility to create those configuration profiles. Let's just go ahead and say OK. Get our color picker and with a preset color. Next up, file demo. We can pick a file inside of a bundle. Looks a little bit different from the disclosure triangles, but same functionality of being able to get into a bundle, into a file, or hidden files, or using multiple files. See, this is running in the temp folder, so it's defaulting to the temp folder for its location. But again, we can choose multiples. All right. And I don't think I have any pictures on this laptop, so we'll just cancel. Specify extensions, file names. By default, has the small window until you expand it out. If you choose something that exists, it will warn, but again, it's up to your script logic what to do once they do confirm that they want to use that file name. Folders. Yep. There are no folders on my desktop, but there are plenty in my home folder. You can also choose to look inside bundles. All right. Yep. All right. Next up is lists. Those are still the same functionality. Multiple selections. All right. This all still works the same. Sure. Again, the alerts look very different. It's interesting in this case, there is no icon, where sometimes it will put a folder there. There we go. And we have our text entry. We can still do hidden text. All right. Wow. All right. URL demos, which on Catalina and previous, this should show file shares, but it seems perhaps that functionality has been changed, or there may be some other issue with looking at network. Hey, that's what they call them, betas. And this one should look for shared Bonjour services advertised for websites. And that's not showing. This could be a privacy issue or a beta issue. But that doesn't get much use anyway. And then the non-blocking windows. Their tiny little caution icon. Still the same behavior. That will get the timeout of the window behind it. We are invoking these with system events, which we've already allowed. But the killing of the windows with the -X option should still work. Boom. There we go. This one has a give up timeout. There we go. We have our non-blocking alerts. And those can also be killed with -X. So there you go. That's a little bit of what Shui looks like on Big Sur. Thanks.